Dragonchain. What is Dragonchain? Dragonchain is a platform that can enable you create smart contracts in the language you know. You can create this language on serverless systems. It's currency agnostic. You can have access to smart contract libraries. There's a marketplace where you can actually buy them. And one of the benefits, there is lower cost, there is faster speed to market, there is high scalability. Another thing again about the Dragonchain is that it has an incubator. So what will the incubator provide? It's going to provide some strategic services like partnerships, giving you access to professionals, standard processes for the incubation of blockchain startups, and new integrations. So what this thing is going to be is to be an ecosystem that provides things like expert, this and all that. Marketplace for community engagement to monitor and compare projects. Direct access to legal, technical, marketing, and economic subject matter experts as partners for advice and support. It's going to be huge because you can provide all this. The Dragon platform team to model digital economics aligned with token model, expedited token launch, and sustainable token marketplace. So let's say, for example, you have a business idea and you want to launch this platform. Just go there and we can have access to the platform. Let's see the thing. So you have Joe Roth, has 20 years of experience in software architecture, focusing on security and scalability. You have Ellen Quinn, Paul Sonner. They have very good guys in their team.